In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Cloudways. If you've ever updated your website and then opened the live page only to see the old version still showing, you're definitely not alone. Like, this is a very common issue on Cloudways because the platform uses multiple layers of caching to keep websites fast. That speed is great for performance, but it can also delay visible changes if the cache hasn't been cleared properly. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clear cache at the application level, the server level inside WordPress, and through your CDN, then finish with a quick check to confirm everything updated correctly. First, if you only need to clear cache for one specific website, start by logging into your Cloudways account and opening the Applications tab. From there, select the website you want to update. Once you're inside that application, go to Application Settings in the left-hand sidebar. On the General tab, look for the section called Purge Site Cache and click Purge. This is the quickest and easiest option because it clears the main cache layers tied to that application and is usually enough after design changes, text edits, or small front-end updates. Next, if your server hosts multiple websites and you want to clear the server level cache across all of them, go back to the top navigation and open the Servers tab. Choose the server your sites are running on, then click Manage Services from the left sidebar. Find Varnish in the list of services and click Purge next to it. This clears the varnish cache for every application on that server, which is especially helpful if a site still looks outdated after doing the application purge. If your website runs on WordPress, there may also be object or plugin level caching that needs to be cleared separately. Log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're using the default Cloudways optimization plugin, go to the top admin bar, open Breeze, and click Purge All Cache. This clears stored page files and other cached assets that may still be serving old content even after you cleared things from the hosting panel. If changes are still not showing, the next place to check is your CDN. In the Cloudways application management area, open Cloudflare or Edge Network from the sidebar. Then go to Cache Management and choose Purge Everything or Purge All. This clears cached files from Edge servers so visitors in different regions receive the latest version of your site. Finally, open an incognito window, hard refresh the page, and check the main pages of your website carefully. Review banners, styling, scripts, and any recent updates to confirm the new version is now live. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.